Hello everyone, QSC TouchMix 16. This mixer, it has a common issue. That's one of the channels, it's get very low sound. Like you can tell between the right and left, it's very low. Even if you use the volume all the way up, still the sound very low. Yeah, the customer told me that is the left channel, this one here, that's the one is causing the problem. And yeah, let's take it apart and we check it, because the customer said the left channel, the sound is very low, and you can see here, see these capacitors are flat. This one, it's not. So I'm gonna replace these two, and you can see these two here for the right channel. This two here is for the left channel. And clearly that capacitors, they was facing overheat, and the oil inside them is get hot, and now like the capacitor is dry. I'm kind of sure the ESR in these capacitors are so high. So after we remove them, we're gonna check the ESR and we'll go from there. So these two capacitors here. Yeah, we're gonna replace them with the better capacitors. They drop by itself. So this is the two capacitors, and you can see the top of them. So this capacitor here is 63 volt, 47 microfarad. This one here 63 volt, 47 microfarad. The size of the capacitor is different, but this capacitor is gonna handle more heat than this one. Let's discharge the capacitor before we test it, just to check the ESR. Okay, the ESR is a 2.8 ohm. So let's check the other one. So that was 2 ohm, the good capacitor. So the ESR is a 1 ohm, 48 microfarad. So let's test the same capacitor. So this capacitor is 460 picofarad, is not even 1 microfarad. So this capacitor is lost all the capacitance that should be. So this capacitor here, this is 28 microfarad, is a half, almost half what is supposed to be here. The negative side, it has a mark here. This is the two capacitors we replace it. Yeah, all the other capacitors look fine. I'm gonna replace these two capacitors as well, so they can have the both same sound. So let's do it. This is already here. So both output capacitors for the two channels are replaced, and now we just have to put it together. where the mixer is on, and let's test one by one. So that's the main right, so let's go to the main left. Yeah, the same sound level. And here. So the mixer, it works. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.